The top 12 things to do in Toronto. Today, we're going to dive into the top 12 things you absolutely must do in Toronto. Toronto is the capital of the province of Ontario and the most populous city in Canada. With a booming metropolitan population of nearly 7 million people, Toronto is a global center of business, finance, arts, sports, and culture, and is the most multicultural city in the world. Among other features, it has the largest underground shopping network and longest street in the world and is home to the Toronto International Film Festival, one of the most prestigious and largest publicly attended film festivals in the world. Toronto also boasts a world-famous, ever-expanding skyline of skyscrapers. Toronto has a multitude of attractions, landmarks, and events to discover. So, let's get started. 1. The CN Tower. Explore the iconic CN Tower. Standing tall at 1,815 feet in the heart of downtown Toronto, this engineering marvel offers breathtaking views of the city and beyond. Completed in 1976 at a height of 553.33 meters or 1,816 feet, it was the world's tallest freestanding structure until 2007, when it was surpassed by Burj Khalifa in Dubai. In 1995, the CN Tower was declared one of the modern 7 wonders of the world by the American Society of Civil Engineers. It is a signature icon of Toronto's skyline and attracts more than 2 million international visitors annually. It houses several observation decks, a revolving restaurant at some 350 meters or 1,150 feet, and an entertainment complex. 2. Ripleys Aquarium of Canada. Located at the base of the CN Tower in downtown Toronto, visit this world-class aquarium and explore an underwater world with over 16,000 aquatic animals representing over 450 species. The aquarium is divided into 9 different galleries, each showcasing a unique aspect of the underwater world. From the colorful coral reefs to the majestic jellyfish, there's something for everyone to marvel at. One of the highlights of Ripley's Aquarium is the moving walkway, which takes you through a tunnel surrounded by sharks, stingrays, and other marine creatures. It's an unforgettable experience that will leave you in awe of the beauty and diversity of our oceans. 3. The Royal Ontario Museum. This world-renowned museum is a must-see for history buffs. This iconic institution, located in Toronto, is a treasure trove of art, culture, and natural history. The museum boasts a staggering 6 million artifacts, spanning over 4.5 billion years of history. From ancient Egyptian mummies to contemporary art, there's something for everyone at the Royal Ontario Museum. One of the most impressive exhibits is the 10,000-year-old Inuit kayak, which is the oldest object in the museum's collection. The museum also houses the world's largest collection of meteorites and the world's largest collection of fossils. Four. Casa Loma. Step back in time at this stunning Gothic Revival castle. Built in the early 20th century, is a testament to the grandeur of its time. Casa Loma boasts 98 rooms, including a secret passageway, a bowling alley, and a hidden tunnel that leads to a nearby ravine. The castle is also home to a stunning library, a magnificent ballroom, and a secret passageway. But the history of Casa Loma doesn't end there. It's also a filming location for many movies and TV shows, including X-Men, Chicago, and even a scene in the iconic film, Scott Pilgrim vs. the World. 5. The Toronto Zoo. Check out the Toronto Zoo, home to over 5,000 animals. This zoo is a wildlife lover's dream. Did you know that the Toronto Zoo is home to the largest indoor zoo in the world? The Tundra Trek, a 2.8-acre exhibit, is a recreation of the Arctic and subarctic regions. It's also the first zoo in North America to house polar bears, wolves, and moose together in a natural habitat. The zoo is divided into 7 geographic regions, each with its own unique ecosystem and wildlife. You'll find everything from African elephants to Asian elephants, and from the majestic white tiger to the adorable red panda. Six. Rogers Center. Take in a game at the Rogers Center. Catch a Toronto Blue Jays game and experience the thrill of live baseball. Or attend a live concert. Toronto is the #1 top concert stop in the world for artists who venture on global tours. So, the selection of musical artists is almost endless. 7. Canada's Wonderland. Take in Canada's Wonderland, a theme park located in the northern part of the Toronto metropolis. It's the largest amusement park in Canada and the third largest in North America, spanning over 330 acres. The park features over 70 rides, including thrill rides, family rides, and children's rides. Some of the most popular attractions include the Behemoth, the world's tallest and fastest roller coaster, and the Leviathan, the tallest and fastest dive coaster in the world. Canada's Wonderland also hosts several events throughout the year, such as Halloween Haunt, Winterfest, and the Summer Concert Series. It is the most visited seasonal amusement park in North America with an estimated 3.9 million guests. 8. The Toronto Botanical Garden. Enjoy a stroll through the Toronto Botanical Garden. This stunning oasis, located in the heart of the city, is a must-visit for anyone who appreciates the beauty of nature. The Toronto Botanical Garden is a lush, 17-acre sanctuary, filled with over 1,500 species of plants. It's divided into distinct gardens, each showcasing a unique theme. From the serene Japanese garden to the vibrant butterfly garden, there's something for everyone to enjoy. The garden also hosts a variety of events throughout the year, including workshops, lectures, and even concerts. It's a great place to learn about horticulture, meet like-minded individuals, and just relax in the tranquil surroundings. 9. The Art Gallery of Ontario. Visit the Art Gallery of Ontario. This world-class gallery showcases an impressive collection of art from around the globe. From ancient Egyptian artifacts to modern masterpieces, the Art Gallery of Ontario has something for everyone. One of its most iconic pieces is the Henry Moore sculpture, which greets visitors as they enter the gallery. The gallery also boasts an impressive collection of Canadian art, including works by the Group of Seven, as well as a stunning collection of European art. 10. The Toronto Islands. Explore the Toronto Islands. This chain of islands offers a unique perspective of the city. The Toronto Islands are a chain of 15 small islands in Lake Ontario, south of mainland Toronto. Just a short ferry ride away from downtown Toronto, these islands offer a unique escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, with picturesque views, tranquil beaches, and plenty of outdoor activities to enjoy. Whether you're looking for a leisurely stroll, a picnic in the park, or a thrilling bike ride, the Toronto Islands have got you covered. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even rent a kayak or paddleboard to explore the crystal clear waters. The Eaton Center. Indulge in some shopping at the Eaton Center. As North America's busiest shopping mall and with more than 230 stores and restaurants, this massive mall is a shopaholic's paradise situated in the heart of downtown Toronto. The Eaton Center attracts more visitors than any of Toronto's tourist attractions because it sits on top of 2 subway stations in downtown Toronto and is close to Union Station, the city's primary transportation hub and the second busiest railway station in North America. But the Eaton Center is more than just a shopping mall. It's a cultural hub, with events and activities happening all year round. From live music performances to art exhibitions, there's always something exciting going on. 12. The Hockey Hall of Fame. Celebrate Canada's national sport and learn about its rich history with a visit to the Hockey Hall of Fame. It's a must-visit destination for any hockey enthusiast or just a fan of sports history. It's home to the Stanley Cup, the most iconic trophy in the sport, as well as a plethora of other memorabilia and artifacts. The Hall of Fame also pays tribute to the greatest players in the game, with statues of some of the most legendary names in hockey, like Gordie Howe, Wayne Gretzky, and Bobby Orr. And there you have it. The top 10 things you absolutely must do in Toronto. I hope you found this list helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy mind travels.